Yeah, though, I'm back Saturday morning. I'm currently waiting on the tow truck driver to go to the shop. Let me give you a little backstory. So I drove the Chevy a couple weeks ago to work, there and back, no problems. That was on a Friday. Tried to start it up on Sunday, nothing. So I tested the battery, got it charged at O'Reilly's, brought it back, still nothing. So spring break happened. Fast forward, now we're here today. So y'all let me know what y'all think it is. Check this out though. Shout out to my brother for the Chevy air cleaners to match the Chevy valve covers. Y'all let me know about these reservoirs. Should I remove them? I seen people paint them. I seen people just replace them. What y'all think? The first thing I'm gonna do, replace that seal back there. Backstory, a few years ago I had a little fire under here. Got everything back moving. But this how I'm looking. Y'all let me know what other things I can do to update it. But check this out. This is how it's sounding. So first and foremost, I am not a mechanic, never pretended to be. But for the YouTube mechanics, for the real mechanics, y'all let me know what y'all think. But yeah, other than that, man, I'm looking crispy in the interior though. Check me out. Still a few more things I want to do, need to do. So it's Monday. I'm on the way to pick up the Monte from the shop. I talked to my mechanic and he let me know what the issue was. So I asked y'all what y'all thought the issue was. And y'all gonna find out before let me know. But still, let me know in the comments if y'all were right. But he let me know it was the starter, so he got that changed out. And shout out to my cousin, man. I talked to my cousin from the D on Saturday and he said, yo, it's probably your starter. So he was definitely on point with that. But on top of the starter, my mechanic let me know that my transmission is going out, so that sucks. So y'all let me know what the price for that would be. Should I get it rebuilt, brand new, all of that? I am in San Diego, so that definitely matters. That definitely matters. So y'all let me know. which route I should go on that. But yeah, I'm definitely not getting that done no time soon, man. We ain't even on that. So I'm thugging it, man. Y'all let me know how long I can get away with it too, you know, but before it completely go out. So I definitely give an update on that. But yeah, we about to go ahead and pick that thing up. Yeah, check out this sweet Grand Nash that's up here at the shop.